What's up, YouTube? It's me, Mama Quee and Daddy Biz. The kids are away. They're at their nana's for the weekend. So, you know, we have no reason to cook. We're gonna do homemade subs. We got some hoagie bread.
You see it.
And we have lettuce, bell peppers, tomatoes, red onions, pickles, and cucumbers. A lot of the things that I get on my sub at Subway. Over there we have some ham, turkey,
and cheese,
and Kobe Jack cheese. I have original chips, just original wavy chips with my dip. However, Biz decided he wanted to do a review on these Doritos. I've never seen these, never tried these. So before we get into this, we're gonna get into that.
Yep. Let's see what we got. It says sweet and tangy barbecue. Let's see. Oh no, I gotta get one. Hold on. I gotta get one that's sauced up.
Sweet and tangy.
Yeah, that was the one.
All right, let's see.
Hold on.
It tastes like the sweet heat kind of, what's it called? No, it tastes like the sweet chili. No, the spicy sweet chili. It tastes like the spicy sweet chili just without the heat. If you ask me, what do you think?
Yeah, but slightly sweeter. I give them like a 7 out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
You know what it tastes like? It tastes like a Dorito version of those little spirals, those Frito-Lay spiral barbecue.
Yeah, it does.
Just like it.
Right on the nose.
Just like it. But I like them though.
Yeah, they good. All right, so y'all, I've been thinking about this all day.
I'm gonna keep eating these though.
We have our buns. Don't forget, there's a bun in the oven. Ready to have this baby, y'all. I'm ready.
Fourth girl.
Yeah, fourth girl. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I'm gonna show y'all how I make my sub. So we're gonna start off with the bread.
Hold on. What I give them at first?
7.
8.5.
Oh my goodness. There you go. All right, so what do I want to put on first? Hand me the meat and cheese tray, please.
I was about to say, because if you are you gonna toast it?
After I got, you know, all the toppings on it.
I know, so you can't put this mayo on there.
Yeah, not yet. Y'all, I don't know about y'all, but I had to pepper my turkey. I love to pepper my turkey, so I've already got pepper on my turkey. I like it thin sliced.
I'm going in
Let me
with the
show
turkey
y'all.
so it's my plate.
Why would you take my slice, Biz? What's your problem?
Let me see how you fall. You fall in yours and then me.
Why you gotta be like me? Everybody wanna be like Queequeg, like Mama Quee. So I got my 2 slices of turkey. I'm gonna throw in there 2 slices of ham.
Staying away from the ham.
Look, I'm not even supposed to be eating deli meat because I'm pregnant. But I can have it as long as it's been warmed. So I am gonna throw this in the air fryer after I make it for just a few minutes. So you know, doctor's orders. I don't know if I want to put my
You ain't gonna put your peppers on first like you do at the thing before you toast it?
I do like my green peppers and onions toasted. Yeah. This is how I have them do it at Subway. When I'm at Subway, I tell them, toast my peppers and onions with my ham, turkey and cheese. Okay. That's how it's gonna go in the air fryer. So I'm gonna send that over and I'll be right back.
Good.
All right, nice and crisp.
They ain't even gotta see mine because they can see yours. It even smells good.
Oh yeah. Now this is what I like. Y'all, this is how I do it when I go to Subway. So I have my come again.
I'm asking if I do even want lettuce.
You do you. You do it your way. You do it Biz way, I'm gonna do it Queensway.
I'm going straight in there.
I'm gonna throw some cucumbers.
Break this tomato up a little bit.
Cucumbers. Mater.
No, it'll fall with the sandwich right here. I ain't gonna do that. You know I gotta have mine tomatoed up though.
One pickle.
All this lettuce.
Oh yes, bell peppers.
My shit look
Bell
great.
peppers for real.
That's all the lettuce the sandwich needs right there.
And then we'll go in with lettuce.
Like this, like this.
And I definitely need some mayonnaise. Y'all hear that little crunch on the bread?
Yeah, that flakiness.
Mm-hmm.
Listen.
Stop playing. Come on, hand me the mayonnaise. I'm ready to go right into it. Excuse me. Don't want to reach over your seat, but it's kind of in my way.
Terrible by itself. Pepper it down,
Give me some pepper, please.
but don't salt it down. That's all you need for this right
I
here.
think I'm gonna lay off the salt. I'm not gonna put salt on mine.
You only need like
Pepper, pepper, pepper.
and the rest of the salt.
All right, y'all. So this is my Subway sandwich. Let me move this lettuce because she doing too much. That's what my Subway sandwich looks like, y'all.
Hold
And
mine
then
up.
I'ma
Get it, look in there, get in there. This is what I'm gonna do.
throw me some chips.
Take it, fold this down in here.
Bada boom, bada ya. Bada boom, bada ya.
Take it, and this is how you do it. Take it. Please don't mess this
Bear's
up.
been dipping his Dorito chips in my dip. I don't know how I feel about that.
Smash it down.
You wasn't going to cut mine?
You see it.
How rude of you. Give me the knife, please, sir.
You got too much in yours for me to cut.
I ain't got too much.
I'm gonna bite this at the same time that you bite yours.
Anything over this way too much,
Please.
go find us.
Crazy,
And just because
man.
you did yours that way, I'm gonna go at an angle. How you like those fine apples? Oh, you
Should've
fancy,
cut mine at
huh?
it. I should've
Oh, you
cut mine.
fancy, huh?
You make mine look pitiful.
It
This is a
is.
hood sandwich.
And
You
this
got
is a good sandwich.
That's like McAllister or something.
All right, all right. Excuse
Whoa.
you.
Oh.
Hey, how you gonna tell me all right in my prayer, sir?
Oh. Hold on. Hold on. I gotta stare at it.
Subway got competition. Knock them out the park. My home Subway better than Subway, Firehouse. What's some other places?
All of them.
They ain't got nothing on Queez.
Just Biz way.
Nothing on Queensway. Nothing on Queensway. Y'all let us know, how do y'all make y'all sub? Do y'all eat it with the works or
Man.
simple lettuce and tomato mayonnaise, bologna and cheese? How y'all do it? Let us know.
Oh yeah, and get these. Done.
I don't know how he be eating that fast. But it's so good.
You just gotta have a lot more stuff on yours.
That ain't got nothing to do with it. That was so good.
You better finish it.
Look, this baby is pushing down on me, y'all. Being pregnant and full do not mix.
You got too much.
At all.
Oh.
Not at all. But thank you guys for joining us on this video of making our Subway at home. As always, we love you. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And if you have not subscribed already, go ahead and turn on that bell, subscribe, and like this video.